Samsung Pass versus Google Autofill. Choosing the right password manager can transform how you secure your accounts without the hassle of remembering complex passwords. Both offer seamless autofill, but differ in platform integration and features. Samsung Pass and Google Autofill both simplify login processes by securely saving and filling passwords. The core difference lies in their ecosystem focus. Samsung Pass is optimized for Samsung devices, while Google Autofill works across Android and Chrome environments. Samsung Pass is a biometric-based password manager built into Samsung devices, allowing users to store and autofill passwords, payment details, and personal information securely. It uses fingerprint or iris recognition to authenticate access, enhancing security and convenience. Samsung Pass integrates tightly with Samsung's ecosystem, including Samsung Internet and supported apps, providing a smooth user experience without additional apps. Its strengths include biometric security, offline availability, and seamless syncing across Samsung devices via Samsung Cloud. However, it is limited to Samsung hardware, restricting users outside this ecosystem. Additionally, it lacks some advanced password management features like cross-platform browser extensions or third-party app integration beyond Samsung's environment. Samsung Pass is ideal for users fully invested in Samsung's ecosystem, seeking a secure, effortless way to manage passwords without extra apps or subscriptions. Google Autofill is a versatile password manager integrated into Google Chrome and Android devices, designed to save and autofill passwords, addresses, and payment methods across platforms. It leverages Google account synchronization, enabling users to access their credentials on any device signed in with their Google account. Google Autofill supports biometric authentication on compatible devices and offers password generation, breach alerts, and password export options through Google Password Manager. Its strengths lie in broad compatibility across Android devices and desktop browsers, plus integration with Google services for a unified experience. However, it depends on internet connectivity for syncing and may raise privacy concerns for those wary of cloud storage. Google Autofill suits users who want cross-device password management, especially those using multiple Android devices and Chrome browsers, or those looking for a free integrated solution without additional apps. Samsung Pass excels in biometric security and offline functionality, but is limited to Samsung devices, making it perfect for users embedded in that ecosystem. Google Autofill offers broader device compatibility, syncing passwords across Android and desktop Chrome browsers, ideal for users with diverse devices. Samsung Pass provides a more native and secure experience on Samsung hardware, while Google Autofill delivers flexibility and additional features like breach alerts. The trade-off is between Samsung Pass's tight integration and biometric focus versus Google Autofill's cross-platform convenience and cloud syncing. For someone who uses only Samsung devices, Samsung Pass offers simplicity and security without extra setup. For users juggling multiple devices or browsers, Google Autofill ensures consistent access and advanced management tools. Choose Samsung Pass if you primarily use Samsung devices and want biometric security with offline access and seamless integration within the Samsung ecosystem. Google Autofill is the better choice for users seeking cross-platform password management with cloud syncing and additional security features. It works well across Android and desktop browsers, making password management effortless no matter the device. Pick the tool that fits your device habits best.